Good morning, students. Now continue trigonometric functions. Already you have done two formula. Which are they? Cos of, let me write that formula. First one is cos of x plus y. Full derivation was there, see. Drawing the circle and obtaining the coordinates using distance formula. Derivation of this one is over. Cos of x plus y. Formula is cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Right? Next one is just by replacing y by minus y, this formula is also over. Cos x cos y plus sin x sin y. Already these two formula were derived in the last class. After that you have taken several problems using this formula. Now let me go for the third formula. See, third one is, that is why I am giving Roman 1, 2, 3 like that. They are all formula. What about sin of x plus y? Cos of x plus y, you know the result. Cos of x minus y, then also it is known. How to find a sin of x plus y? Sin of x plus y, if you remember this formula, allied angle over, no? Let me write here itself. We know that cos of 90 minus theta is sin theta. From where you got this one? You have written the entire list. 48 formula in the chart. There you find the allied angle. Cos of 90 minus theta always sin theta. Let me use the same thing here. Sin x plus y, sin theta means put theta equal to x plus y. Theta equal to x plus y. So right hand side becomes sin of x plus y. What happens left hand side? Cos of pi by 2 minus x plus y. Got the idea clear? Tell me. Correct, no? This is using allied angle, you have written the formula. Now in this formula, you need formula for sin x plus y, no? Put theta equal to x plus y. Here also you have to do the same thing. Equal to cos of, this can be written as pi by 2 minus x minus y. Remove the bracket, rectangular bracket. Now this one once again, this type, see, cos of x minus y, cos of x minus y. Which is x here? Pi by 2 minus x is x. Let me use this formula. By second, cos x cos y, careful when you write x, it is pi by 2 minus x. Cos y plus sin x sin y. Using, let me quote here, formula number second. Using that formula you have written the expansion. Now go back to the allied angle. Cos of pi by 2 minus, it is already here, pi by 2 minus theta sin theta. Pi by 2 minus x is sin x. Into cos y plus sin pi by 2 minus x, that's also over. Go back to the chart. Allied angle. Sin pi by 2 minus x is cos x into sin y. This is the formula for sin of, let me write here also, x plus y. Derivation is very simple, but it is actually the formula, remember it. See the derivation correctly. So, third formula is sin of x plus y. Cos x plus y, cos x minus y, sin x plus y over. Come back to sin x minus y. Fourth one, to find sin of x minus y. It is easy. Since you know the formula for sin x plus y, put y equal to minus y, that's all. Let me do that. Put y equal to minus y in formula number 3 over formula number 3. Sin x plus y, let me write that formula once. Sin x plus y, sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. In this one you have to write sin of x plus minus y. Wherever you have y, write it as minus y. You get the formula. Sin x cos minus y cos x sin minus y. This is what we need. Sin x minus y. Sin x cos of minus theta, that is also formula, you know it already. Cos theta, no change. But sin of minus theta, wherever you have this sin of minus theta, there you have to use minus of sin theta, that's all. So cos minus y, just write cos y. Cos x, here you have to write minus sin y. Sin of minus theta is minus sin theta. Altogether, last formula is this one. Sin x cos y, due to this minus sign, cos x sin y. So very easy to remember the formula, see. Only the sign changes. Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y for x plus y. Sin x cos y minus cos x sin y for x minus y. Formula number 4th one is also over. Even the derivation is simple, you must remember it. When you solve the problems, all these formulas are very important. Over sin x plus y, sin x minus y, cos x plus y, cos x minus y. Next, 10. Formula number 5. To find tan x plus y. Since you know the formula for sin x plus y and cos x plus y, what is tan? Sin by cos, no? Right me. Tan of x plus y is sin x plus y by cos x plus y. Formula for sin x plus y, here it is, previous one. Sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Cos x plus y formula 1. Cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Now divide both numerator and denominator by the same number. There will be no change in the function. So let me divide both numerator and denominator by. Divide both numerator and denominator by cos x cos y. Cos x cos y. Since it is the same number, there will be no change in the value. What happens? Let me write. Tan of x plus y equal to sin x cos y by cos x cos y plus cos x sin y by cos x cos y. Cos x cos y by cos x cos y. Sin x sin y by cos x cos y. See, dividing both numerator and denominator by the same number is over. That number is cos x cos y. Now simplify, get the formula. For tan x plus y, formula is equal to, here you can observe cos y cancels. Sin x by cos x is tan x. Plus cos x cancels. Sin y by cos y, tan y. Divided by, both are cancelled. 1, numerator, denominator same. Minus sin x by cos x, tan x. Sin y by cos y, tan y. Over. This is the very important formula. Formula number 5. Note the derivation clearly. And in all the problems you have to use these formulas. That is, I have written the Roman 1, 2, 3 like that. How many formulas are there? Sin x plus y, sin x minus y, cos x plus y, cos x minus y, tan x plus y, next tan x minus y. Okay. Formula number 6th one, to find, write all the formula in a separate sheet. Whatever I told as a formula, just write them separately. Now, formula number 6th one, no? To find tan x minus y. It is simple. You know tan x plus y. We know that tan x plus y is tan x plus tan y divided by 1 minus tan x tan y. What is the change? In the place of y, write minus y. That's all. Put y equal to minus y. You get the formula tan of x plus minus y equal to tan x plus tan of minus y by 1 minus tan x into tan of minus y. Wherever you have y, write it as minus y. But remember, tan of minus theta is also minus tan theta formula. Tan of minus theta is minus tan theta. So this one is, however, x minus y. Right hand side you see tan x. This becomes minus tan y. Tan of minus theta is minus tan theta, minus tan y. 1 minus tan x into minus tan y. Or the formula, let me write here, x minus y equal to tan x minus tan y. This minus of minus becomes plus tan x tan y. Derivation of the formula number 6 is also over. Over. Let me finish first all the formulae, then let us take the problems one by one. Formula number 6 over 7th one. to find cot x plus y, sin x plus y, cos x plus y, tan x plus y, cot x plus y, sin x minus y, cos x minus y, tan x minus y, finally cot x minus y. Anyway, this one, here also it is very easy. Cot x plus y is actually cos x plus y by sin x plus y. Reciprocal of tan. Cot is a reciprocal of tan. Tan is a sin by cos. Cot is a cos by sin. Put the formula. Numerator. Numerator formula is equal to cos x cos y minus sin x sin y. Denominator formula sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Now divide both numerator and denominator. Divide both numerator and denominator by what? Cos x cos y, sorry, sin x sin y, by sin x sin y. Previous case it is cos x cos y, here it is sin x sin y. But since you are dividing both numerator and denominator, there will be no change. Cot x plus y remains as it is, equal to numerator cos x cos y by sin x sin y minus sin x sin y by sin x sin y sin x cos y sin x sin y cos x sin y by sin x sin y over. Divide both numerator and denominator by sin x sin y. Now actually you are writing the answer. Cot of x plus y equal to cancelling. Here it is not cancelled. Cos x by sin x cot x, cos y by sin y cot y. Sin x sin y sin x, that cancels. 1 by sin x cancel, cos by sin cot y, sin y cancels cot x. You have seen the formula for tan. Right hand side also the functions are in tan. See, tan of x, tan, everything is tan. Cot function formula, cot, everything is in cot. Formula number 7th one over. Now the last formula. Last formula is cot x minus y. 8th and the last formula. To find cot x minus y. We know that cot x plus y equal to cot x cot y minus 1 divided by cot y plus cot x. Here it is, see, cot x cot y minus 1 by cot y plus cot x. Put y equal to minus y. Second formula always easy. Just by replacing y by minus y, you get formula for x minus y. Cot x minus y equal to cot x cot minus y minus 1 by cot minus y plus cot x. Cot minus theta is also minus cot theta. So, cot x minus y equal to cot x into minus cot y minus 1 divided by minus cot y plus cot x. Wherever you have y, write it as a minus y. But cot minus theta is minus cot theta. Altogether, the final form of the formula is cot x into minus cot y minus cot x cot y minus 1 by minus cot y plus cot x. Instead of writing all minus sign like this, let me simplify further. Equal to minus sign outside. Cot x cot y plus 1. Here also minus sign outside. Cot y minus cot x. Cancelling minus sign both from numerator denominator. Cot x minus y equal to cot x cot y plus 1 divided by cot y minus cot x. See the formula, previous one and here. Cot x plus y is cot x cot y minus 1, cot x cot y plus 1. Denominator cot y plus cot x, cot y minus cot x. That finishes all the compound angle formulae, x plus y, x minus y, like that. Okay, shall we take the problems one by one? Write separately the formula. Whenever the formula is required, you must be able to give me the formula. Right, problem number 1. Problems. First one, if sin x equal to 4 by 5, cos y equal to 1 by 2, both x and y are acute. Find sin of x plus y. See, find sin of x plus y. Sin of x minus y. Given the trigonometry ratio sin x and cos y, write sin of x plus y. Sin of x minus y. Sin x plus y. In order to find sin x plus y, what you need, let me write the formula first. Sin x plus y is sin x cos y plus cos x sin y. Here actually sin x is given, but cos y also given. No cos x. No sin y. So, let me calculate that. Since Sin x equal to 4 by 5. What about cos x? Root of 1 minus sin square x is cos square x. Its square root is cos x. Root of 1 minus 4 by 5 whole square. Root of 1 minus 16 by 25, or taking LCM 25 minus 16 by 25 is 9 by 25 or 3 by 5, plus or minus, but both are acute angle. So cos x is positive. Another one, let it continue here itself. Cos y given, sin y is a root of 1 minus cos square y. Same formula. Only the function changes there. 1 minus 1 by 2 whole square. 1 minus 1 by 4. 4 minus 1 by 4. 3 by 4 or root 3 by 2. Now come back to the formula. Sin of x plus y equal to sin x 4 by 5 cos y 1 by 2 plus cos x 3 by 5 sin y root 3 by 2 over. Final answer is 4 by 10, 3 root 3 by 10. 10, 4 plus 3 root 3. Similarly, sin x minus y, that can be written easily. Sin x cos y, formula just changes, minus. Cos x sin y. Sin x 4 by 5 cos y 1 by 2 minus cos x 3 by 5 sin y root 3 by 2. Answer is 4 by 10 minus 3 root 3 by 10 or 4 minus 3 root 3 divided by 10. 4 minus 3 root 3 divided by 10. Find sin x plus y and sin x minus y.